fellow real estate investors, I have some great news for you. If you don't know me, my name is Ryan Stewman. I'm the president and CEO here at Closer Capital, where we help entrepreneurs like you get access to the capital they need and quick. Right now, we have amazing DSCR refinance programs that even include cash back. So picture this. You found the property that you've been wanting to flip, and you secure financing through Closer Capital on that, 75-80% loan to value. Closer Capital has extended you a line of credit to use as the down payment money to get into that. So you're into this property with zero money out of pocket, right? All because you know me, all because you know my team. So you're in this property with zero money out of pocket. At the end of this, you don't want to fix it and flip it. You want to fix it and rent it, okay? And so you go and you look at your options, and most traditional lenders, if you were to go get an investor property loan from, say, a mortgage company, they're not going to give you cash back, or they're only going to give you cash back based on acquisition costs and the materials that you put into it. And sure, there's smart people that can inflate that and work the numbers, but why do that if you don't have to? Instead, what we do are cash out DSCR refinances. So you own the property because you've taken out a loan through Closer Capital, and you've used your line of credit that we've also set up for you as the down payment on that program. Again, you're in the property for $0. This property, you acquired it all in, we'll use round numbers, at $100,000. It appraises at $160,000 by the time you're done with it. All in, $100 for you, $160,000. So we can take 80% of $160,000, which I probably should have done the math on that before I started shooting this video. But if we take $160,000 times 0.8, that's going to give you $128,000. That's going to give you $28,000 cash on top of everything that you get to put in your pocket while you're renting this property out. And on top of that, it's going to pay off the lien with Closer Capital, and it's going to pay off the line of credit down payment. So you've settled all of your debt and profited just like you would have if you flipped it, but now you get to collect the residual income that comes from the property too. Now, if you're a seasoned investor like I am, you've probably heard a lot about DSCR, but you've never actually applied for one because maybe you have a banking relationship or a traditional lender that you've been using. But I'm telling you, I'm seeing our DSCR refinances close without appraisals needed, when we're seeing them close within a week. And we're doing, honestly, several a day at this point, where our clients a few months ago, when we started offering this program, started getting their fixes. They started fixing, they're doing the fixing part of the fix and flip process. So here they are fixing properties. Now those things are coming to roost, their completion. And we're DSCR refinancing, giving our investors cash back like you wouldn't believe. So if you want a way to cash out of a property, but not have to step out of a property by selling it so that you can continue to cash flow it, then Closer Capital is the place for you. All you've got to do to get the process started is go over to closercap.com, fill out your information. It's very simple, general information. Someone on my team will reach out, set a time to get on the phone with you, answer your questions, go through the process, explain how everything works, talk about the benefits of doing business with Closer Capital, because it's not just money. It's a network of people. It is a tool suite of AI tools. It is a tool suite of software that all these extra things that we do for business owners, not just to ensure that our loans are paid back, but to ensure that we create business owners and leverage them with finances in order to grow and scale. And that's what they do. That's what we care about. So go to closercap.com and apply, and let us show you how easy it is to do a flip to DSCR refi and get cash out of them. We do them all day, every day. See you soon.